Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is inheritance in Python, what is single inheritance, how we can call a parent or base class constructor from child class. So what is inheritance? Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows you to create a new class based on an existing class. The new class is called the subclass or derived class, and the existing class is referred to as the base class, that is parent class or superclass. Inheritance enables you to reuse code and create a hierarchy of classes with shared attributes and behavior. Let me take a parent as a name. We can define attributes. Another class, what we have, let's say, child class. We have to inherit a parent class here. It is a derived class, subclass, or you can say child class. We can call this class as a base class, superclass, or parent class. What we call this type of implementation, that is called a single inheritance. And what is the definition of single inheritance? In single inheritance, a child class inherits from a single parent class. Now let's see a real world example how we can implement single inheritance in Python. We have to define a class as a parent class. We can say a vehicle. This is a good example to understand how this hierarchy works for inheritance. Very simple function, drive vehicle. Here I am just printing driving vehicle. Now next step is to create a child class. Let's say I have to create a car class. You see, we have inherited the vehicle class inside the car class, and we have a very simple function, drive car. Now what we have to do, we are going to create a car object. Okay, as soon as we type in C, so we could see drive vehicle and drive car. So both function we can see on this object. This is an object of car, but we can get both the method from parent class and from the child class. So C dot vehicle, we can print C dot drive car method we can execute. Let's run the program. If you see, from the C object we were able to execute both the method from child class and from the parent class. That is a very simple example. Let's say you have the base color, okay, white color. What we are going to do, we are going to print this base color inside this method. In between we can pass on our attributes of this class. Okay, if we run the program, so we will see driving white vehicle. Okay, because the base vehicle class has the very basic color, that is white. Sorry, it is white. Let's run again. So this is white color. If you type in C dot base color, so you are able to access this base color attribute from the parent class. You see, okay, if you want to print, so this can be printed as a white. Okay, let's assume we want to pass on the color of the car into the child class. Then how we can do it? Create a constructor of this class and we can expect the color from the constructor. Diff init. Okay, then we can say self dot color. Right here we can say the same thing, which color of car we are going to driving, color of this car. So we have to pass on some color, let's say blue. This message will print with the color of the car, which color of car you are driving. So let's run the program. So you see, driving blue car. So this is a one way to achieve single inheritance. Create another object of another car, then we can say c1 dot car. This time this will be a different color of car, let's say green. We can say c1 So this time it will print different messages. Okay, another car, we have a green color of car. Okay, we are driving green color. The second point, let's say if you want to pass on the color of the car into the base class, we can easily achieve this by using the init constructor of parent class. How we can pass on? Let's say to achieve this, we have to create a constructor of our base class. Then we can expect a color self dot base color equals to color. So we have what we are doing here, we are passing the color from this constructor to our class instance attribute. This is an attribute of class instance. Here, as soon as we create the constructor of the child class, call the init function. Okay, so this is achievable. We can pass on the same color which we passed to the car class. You see. Now let's run the program. Then our messages will be changed. Let's run it. So this is a mistake. So instead of vehicle class, we have to take self. By mistake, we have taken the vehicle class name here. So now if you run the program again, so you will see we have passed on the color from car blue to the parent class. Another object we have passed on the different color to the parent class.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.